up. You're not in it. You're not. Okay, this is gonna be my Lego gun shop 2. Cause my Lego gun shop 2. Here it is. Those are not Legos, so they're blocks, so whatever. Shit. Ava, seriously, Ava, stop it. After this one.
I can wait in the video. I'm gonna be in the video. I am in the video.
These are just 10 pieces, remember that. 10 pieces. Ava, god damn it. That is a shotgun. A shotgun.
Yeah, that's a shotgun. Oh, it's
Just a piece of shit gun.
Because like how you do it, so don't do that.
Shut up, Ava. That is a sniper. That is kind of a crossbow. Hold on a minute. Ava, don't touch. Okay, my dad forgot his phone. My dad forgot his phone. My dad forgot his phone, and he went to drop my mom off at work. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
I'll be in the video.
Douche. Okay, so that's kind of a crossbow, and this is...
So,
that's just a sweet looking stupid ass gun.
yes, this.
This is called Disruptor. No, I'm not. God damn, this is stupid. But this is for the nerds who like guns. Whatever, it's gay.